everyone, my name is Yılmaz, and this video I will try to explain how you can earn money on online Facebook dropshipping market 2021. So listen guys, if you don't know what's my Facebook dropshipping, it is exactly the same strategy we do on eBay, just right now we change our supplier to eBay to Facebook. So basically this system working very well on United Kingdom marketplace. So if you do same like a Germany or United USA or different marketplace, so it will be work, but you have to make sure you always have track and update on system. If you listen this video till the end, you will understand how system work and how you can start from scratch to you can create your income. So first of all, we should be find there is a three way we should be follow this. Each step is correctly. The first step, we should be find the which and how we can find winning product, and the second, we should be list item correctly and it is better than others, and third, it should be always put update and tracking information to our customer. I will explain everything in a minute, and then I will show you how you can start with your only just your Facebook account. So first of all, if you go to digitalmarketmentoring.com, and I will bring all information to the bottom of this video, you can just go away, and when you're gonna come this website, you will see it this time, and you need to switch to Turkish. And when you're gonna switch to Turkish, you will come to this section. This is the beta one. Just click that one. Now first, it's gonna be find for us the hot product on eBay. So first of all, you should be download this extension and have to make sure this extension gonna be orange color. So if you click this one, and then you see toggle on off. So if off, it's gonna be like this and doesn't work. You should be just click the on. After that, when you just scroll down and then find product keywords, so just type your niche. Let's say our scenario now, I'm gonna look for garden. Right now spring is passing, everyone doing barbecue. It's really good time to sell some barbecue stuff, and have a look what people sell. Okay, right now this item 9 sold in 1 hour. This is fantastic item when we should be sell this item. Right now, as you see, 1 hour inside 9 time guys, people sold this one. So what I'm gonna do, I find the item, I did first step, I know what is selling well. If you want to list more, you can list all of them. There is a way, there is so many things. Just have a look. As you see, 2,411 times sold. It costs 400 quick, and there is a more item, and there is a more item, and just have a look, find your niche and just carry on with this niche, and after that you should be list on Facebook marketplace right now. So we find it in the exam, we find the item. The second one, there is an extension we make for this about it, which we call akimbaba.com. As soon as possible we will share information with you. However, in this scenario, you should be download all picture, and then when you're gonna download all picture, you just click the copy. You don't need to now if you're using extension, but if you don't, you need to just download the picture to update all information to Facebook website. So I'm gonna grab this information. I'm gonna use our extension. As I told you, this week I hope we're gonna finish, and then we can share with you this all information. And when you come to Facebook marketplace, just click and grab all information is coming to right now here. And I recommend, it's really use as a simple picture on Facebook marketplace. When you put in brand new, and it is really a bit difficult to, you can just people just ignore it. So just put the grab people information as like this, you know, people can see and then they can buy it, and then just put the price. So what's the price? If we choose the green one, and then 25 is coming to 867, and if you top up the 50, you should be list each item with separate different way. So I'm gonna list the 50 different way, and then I'm gonna list the 75, I believe, yeah, 75 feet. I need to list again, and then again and again, and then this is the cost. It's gonna be 2.5 feet, like it's gonna be 7.5 metre, it's gonna be cost like a £9. So I'm gonna try to sell this one £14, something like that. And the category is gonna be garden, and condition is just new, and there is all information is come over here, and material, or if you want to put, and the text really important. You should be find out the text. If you can't find here text, you can just type some text, but I highly recommend what you can do. You just go to Amazon, find this item on Amazon, and then let's say this is kind of similar, or if you can find similar something. I have an extension. This extension is free. I'm gonna also update this our extension as well. But as you can see, there is all text is coming with straight away, and just have a look which item is selling very well. In this scenario, this item sold so many times, so people grab this information is really going well. So I just copy this text and go to Facebook and just V and they grab all information. And if I want, I can get other one as well, but I don't think so it's gonna take all of them, so I didn't take through. SKU I don't put, but if you want you can create ones. If you want you can hide your from friends if you want to, so just next. And if you want to share other platform, for example in this scenario, if you have some like a different all about they care about garden, or kind of there is people talking about the group, if you join them club, and just you can share your post. But in this scenario I don't, and I publish. After this publish, what you gonna be do, you do second step as well. So people gonna ask you how I can buy this item. And this scenario, you should say them just send your PayPal, your bank details, which you can use Payoneer, also TransferWise. And then when you done this, as you can see, there's so many people asking non-stop. And now you can see our item here. And if you want to, you can boot so as well. So many people they're gonna start all about this item, how I can buy and where I can get. So don't worry, you have to do only one thing. In this time's pandemic, when they're gonna send you how I can buy or can I come to pick up, you should be say there is a text even. You can text them. You can say them, you know, this item is right now is for pandemic. We not allowed to do, so we can ship your address directly, or you can create your own website, or you can add also okeanisy.com. It's up to you. When people gonna send you money for your PayPal or transfer account, TransferWise account, or depends your debit card or credit card, and then when you receive the money, you just go to Amazon, eBay or Amazon. It's up to you who is your supplier. Just come here at the basket and just put them address. And this item is mostly come to Saturday, 12 June. So it's gonna be like take at least 3 days, and then when you're gonna get this information, go to tracker face. Just you can translate. You can convert your information over here if you want to, or if you don't want to, you just give this information to your customer, and then you will save this item. It is how easy and simple, guys. And there is so many items I sold on Facebook Market since more than years now. I highly recommend, guys, you should carry on. And how much it costs to you? Zero. You didn't get a suspension, you didn't get nothing about that. What you have to do, you just need to find this is item is this searching engineer is free. You can also have a look the watch count or different website. This is all free. Just go this website and just search your item. And the second, when you find the item, grab this all information, upload to Facebook Marketplace. And third and last one, when you got souls, just send information, the payment details to your customer, and they're gonna send you, they're gonna give you information from your damn address, and just come your supplier and then purchase this item and send your customer address. And if you need to convert this tracking number, you can convert anytime over trackerfest.com. So I will give you all information over there, and if you have any question, you can ask anytime from your chat or other information also here as well. You can always talk with us to and then contact with us. I hope this video is helpful, guys. What you thinking about? How do you do Facebook dropshipping, or how much you earn per monthly, and who is your really good supplier? I really want to hear your advice, and we're gonna help you about if you have a problem. We're gonna try to get solution. Also, we have all link down below, and then just click there, join our Facebook, Telegram, Discord, and other groups. It's gonna be all free, guys. If you have some stuck somewhere, we're gonna help you as soon as possible. Thank you so much for joining with this video, and see you the next one. Ciao.